Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how the interesting feature of Ubuntu, the Ubuntu screencast. So basically Ubuntu has provided the GNOME, which is actually the official Ubuntu flavor, which is built from Ubuntu repo and coupled tightly with GNOME desktop. So it gives us facility to basically to do the screencast, yeah, basically some video stuffing around our screen, and we can just record whatever we can do on the screen, and we can share to others to explore these kind of things. So basically it is this is the official website of Ubuntu GNOME. So basically I'll just tell you how it works. So in our keyboard, if you know want to screencast, so basically there is shortcut given by the Ubuntu. So you have to press Control Shift Alt and Control plus Shift plus Alt plus R. So after pressing this, you will get to see this orange circle on the top right corner of the screen. So it means that our recording screencasting has been started. So all this screencasted video has been saved to the videos folder. So if you again press the control, if you want to stop this, you can press the Control Alt Shift and then wait, Control Alt Shift and R. So it will get disabled, means your video has been saved. So if you go to your video folder, and if you, yeah, you can see this video which is been recorded by us now. So if you just open this, so you it will capture all the activities whichever we do on the screen. So this is the inbuilt feature which is provided by Ubuntu to record the screen. That's it for this video. Hope you all liked it. If you liked my video, please press the like button, and you can also comment down your feedback below. For more such videos, do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for joining me.